Welcome viewers to today's featured product review. Within the last couple of months, we would have witnessed the release of the new Windows 11 operating system and the rollout to existing Windows 10 users via a free Windows update. However, with all the excitement around this latest release, did you know that this rollout is only available to users who have a registered version of Windows on their PC or laptop? So besides your PC's hardware being compatible to facilitate this new update, if to the bottom right corner of your Windows desktop you are seeing that this version of Windows is not activated, then it means that you will not be able to upgrade to Windows 11. I know that activating your Windows installation requires that you purchase a product key from Microsoft, and the cost of that key usually is out of the reach of the low-income earner. Well, today I'm happy to announce that you can now activate your Windows operating system at a very low price with an official Windows 10 activation key from today's sponsor, the VIP Key Sale website. So to demonstrate how to activate your Windows operating system in a few simple steps, stay tuned because that's up next. Welcome back. So just to get into a little bit about who is VIP Key Sale and what services they offer, VIP Key Sale was established in 2008 and with over 10 years experience in the field of cost-efficient official gaming software activation, they provide official activation keys for the top gaming platforms in the industry and has most of the big-name game titles listed on their website. These include platforms such as Steam, Origin, Uplay, and others. They also provide activation keys for all of the major antivirus software such as Norton, McAfee, Avast, Bitdefender, and Kaspersky. And if you're looking for gift cards for PlayStation, Nintendo, and Apple iTunes, you can find them under the gift cards section. And for the highlight of today's video, VIP Key Sale is now offering official activation keys drastically reduced for Windows 10 Pro and Microsoft Office versions of 2016 to 2021. So to activate your Windows in a few easy steps, you first have to copy the exclusive 25% discount coupon in the description below this video, which is TV25. Then click on the special link to be taken directly to the VIP Key Sale Windows 10 Pro CD key page. Click the Buy Now button and you'll be taken to the order confirmation page. On this page, first enter your delivery email address. Then enter the 25% discount coupon into the text field and click apply, and the price will be reduced to $13. Then click submit order and proceed to the payment option page. Choose your preferred payment method. For this demonstration, I'm using PayPal, and proceed with your purchase. Once your payment has been successfully completed, you'll receive an on-page confirmation with your order number and transaction ID as well as in your email. This is what the email confirmation looks like. Here you can use your order number to track the status of your CD key. The same process applies for obtaining a Microsoft Office activation key. Simply copy the same 25% discount coupon TV25, use the included link, click Buy Now, enter your delivery email address, add your discount coupon, and the price will be reduced to $47, and proceed with your purchase. Returning now to your Windows activation. Once you have received your activation key in your email, go to the search field on your taskbar and search for Activation Settings. Click on Activation Settings and you'll be taken to the Windows activation page. Click on Change Product Key and paste the key received in your email into the text field and click Next to activate your Windows. So viewers, there you have it. That was today's featured presentation from the VIP KeySale Company, a reliable source for gaming, antivirus, and Microsoft activation keys. Below this video, I placed a link to the Windows 10 Pro page and the Microsoft Office 2016 through 2021 pages for you to acquire your various activation keys. Also exclusive to this channel is the 25% discount coupon TV25 for you to take advantage to get your activation keys at a reduced price. So give this video the thumbs up if this service is of value. Thanks goes out to VIP KeySale for sponsoring today's video. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell before leaving to be notified when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one.